Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make an image background transparent in InDesign. So let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software. At first, I have to say you make an image background transparent in InDesign. This feature is not available. Now I am do another way. So firstly, go to your Chrome browser or any extracting browser. Then here write bg remove. Then press enter. Now firstly this site and click here. Now you can see here are upload image option. Now click this and go to your image folder and select your image and click open. Now wait some moment. You can see my image is all transparent. Now click the download and go to my download folder and show this image. Now back your InDesign software, then go to the file menu and go to the place and go to the download option and select this transparent image and click open. Now I am drag and place this image. Now you can see make an image background transparent in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.